Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum and good morning kids. How are you? Not so good? Oh yes, I can understand what are you feeling right now. Little scary, worried, panic. But kids, no need to worry more today. I have something very interesting for you. It will help you to fight against coronavirus. Today me and my friends will inform you how to fight against coronavirus. Please welcome us to present here. Let the story begin with your applause. One day, Isia was crying. Her mother came to ask her, "Isia, my darling daughter, why are you weeping?" "Mom, I'm so upset. Why the schools have been closed? Why are we supposed to stay at home? I cannot even go out to see my flowers. I have to attend the flower exhibition this year, but I could not." Suddenly, Andy joined them with his own sorrows. "Yes, Mommy, Isia is right. I cannot even go to the park to play with my friends. I'm so bored. Do something, Mommy. Do something." I know, my kids. I'm also worried about the current situations. But first, let me tell you about coronavirus. That is the only reason of all of this. Corona is a name of a virus. It's a Latin word. It means crown. It was first discovered in 1960s. It causes disease in mammals and birds. After its infections, it just seems like a common cold, but it's far more dangerous than cold. Seriously, Mommy? Yes. Its symptoms include cough, headache, fever, fatigue, sore throat, runny nose, and vomiting. Really? But don't get panic. Funky is coming with a prescription that we have to follow and everything will be alright. Here he is. "Hello everyone. How are you? Here is the prescription." Greetings. Here are some points following which we can protect ourselves against corona. First of all, mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can save us. Secondly, you should follow some precautions strictly. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap. Stay at home. Avoid to visit crowded areas. Use face mask. Cover your sneeze with tissue paper or handkerchief. Let's stay healthy and